Life doesn't give you what you want, it gives you what you deserve. Distraction, laziness, negative approach, indiscipline, lack of planning, revision, practice stop you from reaching there. But unlike any other game, your attempts are limited. Your job is to defeat these enemies and pass each stage with the flying colors. There are helping hands too, some internal and some external. Mentor, teacher, family, NCRTs, newspaper, standard books, and some internal factors such as perseverance, strong headedness, focus, self discipline. Discipline keeps you going. When your motivation evaporates, discipline drives you to do the things that you don't enjoy. Discipline gives you the strength to defeat the enemies of the game. Discipline is to let go of short-term pleasure in order to achieve the long-term respect. It is the ability to control your action and emotions. Discipline is to keep going when you can't. According to Aristotle, unruly humans' passions can be disciplined only by the constant exercise of self-control. In the hope of getting long-term respect is essential for success. Delaying gratification from watching YouTube videos and continuing with the leftover chapters of your subject to give 2 extra marks. Delay the gratification of enjoying weekends and give that test series. It shall consolidate your position in the competition. You may pass and earn long-term satisfaction and respect. It does not mean that you enjoying life is a sin. Reward yourself when your task is done, or as small as making your bed. Set small targets, finish small things, take them step by step, make them consistent, fun and enjoyable. This will increase your willpower and make your ability on a bigger task. Follow discipline every day, set a routine. Follow this routine for a week and then months. It become a habit. These habits change into character. Good habits make a good character, and that is your ultimate goal. Good character may not ensure your position in the final list, but you will be successful in your life no matter what.